Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bryce Kirkpatrick. I'm a turf program director here at Real Turf Solutions. Today I want to kind of go over a brief kind of scenario of why this time of the year is, even though we know that the temperatures are starting to kind of drop a little bit, we're kind of slowly creeping into the winter time. Everybody's kind of been looking forward to this time of the year. It's getting close to fall. The pumpkin spices are out. You know, Christmas is right around the corner. But there's one thing a lot of people don't understand about weed control programs, and weed control programs are based on different times of the year to be able to put down applications. And even though you may not think that this time of the year is a good time to be worried about it because the grass is getting ready to start slowing down, getting ready to go dormant for the winter time, it's actually a good time to go ahead and start getting down those pre-emerge applications. Pre-emerge applications are very vital in a weed control program, not only for us as a weed control company standpoint, but as a homeowner just like yourself that may do this on your own at home. You want to go ahead and start getting down those products that are going to go ahead and start getting ready to control those weeds that we're fixing to start seeing. I know we've been battling weeds all summer long. We've been seeing, you know, the weeds here and there, and so I know everybody's a little frustrated, but we're getting ready to start slowly seeing those weeds disappear based on the temperatures, and we're going to start slowly seeing those weeds that are actually like the cooler temperatures start to emerge. And so getting those pre-emerges down this time of the year around the fall time, it's a great opportunity to go ahead and get your yard set up, prepared, and ready for the winter time. And then not only that, as we start rolling into the winter time, we kind of start getting those pre-emerges down and get everything ready for the springtime. And so I know everybody says, well, springtime, we're just now getting to the winter. But we're actually getting ready for the winter, but we're also preparing for the spring that's coming soon as well around the corner. So if you have any further questions about pre-emerge applications, or if there's something we can do to help you, please give us a call at 478-988-0043. We'll be glad to come out, take a look, talk with you about our program, maybe even give you a price based on what we can do for you and see if it's something that fits your budget. Thank you.